because it's a really sharp knife to use with fine loops, and yeah, it's really good to use, of course. But the idea was as an eraser, to use it as an eraser. So, and then again, push it down, I make pressure, lift it up. So, and it's done again. Pressure on every tool. And then as a two-layer knife, we finish this now with this divider, aluminum divider. And then here, bushings, this time upside down like we started. Take it out. So, and as you know, our knives, with these springs inside, that has to make this every tool. But that's really important. You hear this sound really just if you got good material inside, that means the spring back. Huh? That's so important. That's point number one. Now we do the second part.